you know how important it is to be omnichannel present and how your customers demand brand consistency. And we know from experience how challenging it can be to accomplish this within your organization. Hi, I'm Sabriye, Managing Partner of Enso, and today we're excited to show you how easy you can achieve this with the latest version of Sitefinity without being held back by IT bottlenecks or developer delays. Sitefinity 15.2 isn't just an upgrade. Their composable headless approach is a game changer in how businesses like yours can connect with their audiences. To illustrate that, in this video we'll implement Sitefinity CMS with the Next.js renderer, and on top we will add the Microsoft Fluent Design framework, which will act as a basis for our brand consistency. So let's get started. First, we'll install Sitefinity in headless mode, which contains the core composable DX components and separates content management from page editing, while retaining the robust backend UI, APIs, workflows, and governance. With Sitefinity up and running, we'll install and connect it to the new decoupled Next.js frontend. This allows us to consume our content as a service, ensuring fast development, less complex code structure, and resource-efficient maintenance. By simply configuring the out-of-the-box renderer, we're up and running with our Sitefinity website and ready to create pages to take advantage of Sitefinity's built-in WYSIWYG editor and personalize our content. Now, let's get ready to hand over the reins and truly empower the marketers to deliver that cross-channel consistency. We do this by installing Microsoft Fluent UI package, a leading design system that allows us for a use of patterns and components across digital channels such as Windows, Android, iOS, and web. We install Microsoft's Fluent package into the Next.js renderer project and configure the providers, as well as update the layout file to use the Fluent design. With the framework installed, it is time to swap out our components and switch from an out-of-the-box call-to-action widget to an accessible and cross-channel consistent cart design by using Microsoft's React web components. The standard React components of Microsoft's Fluent UI work seamlessly within Sitefinity's Next.js, and with everything built on a token-based design system, it's as easy as ever to deliver. Now that we have everything technical up and running in our system, we can focus on the design by opening the Fluent UI components in Figma and have the marketers and designers work on customizing the look and feel. And when the right brand identity and tones are set, simply export the design tokens from Figma, and that's it.